Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to discuss this question, that is a factorial type 7 factorial minus 6 factorial divided by 7 factorial plus 6 factorial. And at the end of the video, you will able to solve any type of question related to it with ease. So watch the video till the end. First of all, let's see how 7 factorial can be written. That is 7 into 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, 6 factorial can be written as 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It means that this is equals to 6 factorial, and eventually 7 factorial can be written as 7 factorial into 7 into 6 factorial. So that's the key part here. So write 7 factorial as 7 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial remain the same. Similarly, in the denominator, 7 into 6 factorial plus 6 factorial. Now take 6 factorial common from numerator. We get 7 minus 1, and in denominator we have also 6 factorial common. We are left with 7 plus 1. Cancel out 6 factorial with 6 factorial. 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. Simplify with the two table, we get 3 by 4. So note that if you have encountered any type of question related to it, for example 8 factorials minus 7 factorial, 8 factorial plus 7 factorial, it means we left with 7, and in the denominator we have 9. That is, the numerator we have one digit less than 8 and one digit greater than 8 in the denominator. So we just simplify it and get the answer. Thanks for watching.